Hey folks, so just got this lay down number plate mount for my Sportster. It's got the 3-hole design, and put them through. Kind of yeah, see how it kind of mounts on the motorcycle, and can either have this here, or if you want it to stand up a bit more, it's got this one here, and yeah, just going to mount it onto the bike, and got like bolts and stuff with it too. I just got a new number plate too, so gonna have to drill some holes, and I've just put this on, and I've marked holes where I'm going to drill it, and I'm going to try it with a hand drill just so I don't damage anything, I guess. And yeah, just going to clamp the number plate, to like a piece of wood or something. So we're going to get on with that now. Probably do right with the drill. I'm going to have to do it again with a bigger size too, drill piece. So okay, so I can stick my hand up the back of the fender here, and we've got 3 bolts here with this rubber part. Got to put that on so it doesn't, I suppose it helps with the vibration, stops it from vibrating off. And 3 bolts, Allen key bolts. I think they're all the same length except for one, which I guess you use if you want to put it up more upright, but I'm just going to do it like this today. Could put some Loctite on too if you have some. Can't go and give any of that at the moment because everything's locked down, but and you're just going to chuck these nuts on. Okay, so it's got an Allen key, and I think that was the right size, and 10mm spinner. Hold those bolts in place with the spinner and tighten it. Nice and tight. Yeah, I might pick up some Loctite, I don't know, once the lockdown's over. It's tight as hell. Sweet, so just going to chuck the number plate on now. So actually we won't put these washers on this side because it's going to be covering the number. Wrong way. There we go, one on. Partially. I guess if I push this right through, hold it on there like that. So yeah, that is the plate installed. Didn't get the last bolt in, but I will try and loosen them a bit and move it over a bit. But yeah, as you can see, looks pretty cool. Laying down a bit, and but yeah, that's pretty much it. Cheers for watching.